kids, it's Miss Jen, and I'm going to show you how to build a swinging target game with the Katoodle Pipe Builder Kit. So what we're going to do is build 3 stands at 3 different levels, and then hang some plastic cups off of it, and those will be our targets. So let's start off with the tallest stand. So for the tallest stand, let's use these taller 10-inch pieces of PVC pipe, and then we'll build the feet. So first what we're going to do is put on the T's so that we can build the feet. So we have T on the bottom, and then let's put on some little feet. So we have 2 little ones, one on each side, like that. So it's a giant T. Okay, and then we need 2 little feet for the other side. And there, now I have 2 T's. These are going to be my legs. And then I just need to put something across here. So I'm going to use my L fittings to connect these 2. So I grab 2 L fittings. See how they're shaped like L's? Put those 2 at the top, and they have to be at this angle so the hole is facing the other side. So see how my holes are facing each other? That's because I'm going to put a pipe to connect the 2. So now we're going to connect these 2, and this is my first stand. Now I'm going to do my mid-size stand, and for my mid-size I have 5 inches. And so these are 5-inch pipes, and let's go ahead and do the same thing. So I can use my T's again, and let me find the little feet. Okay. 2 little feet. And there, we have shorter T's. And then next we're going to make the connector bar again. So I have my L shapes, and once again, you guys can be pros at this by the time we finish. And the 2 holes are facing each other. And then next, we're going to connect this. And we have 2 different levels here. And then let's do the shortest level. So for my shortest level, I'm going to use these. These are my 2.5 inch. So I don't have any more T shapes left, but I can use these 5 ways. So these are 5 ways because 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is sticking up here. And they also work as good little feet. So these are my 2 feet, and they're pretty stable here. And I want to connect them across here, and I have 2 more L shapes left. There. Now this one, I can make this one a little bit wider. That's what I want to do. And so to make something wider, use what's called a coupling. And the coupling connects 2 pipes together. So this is going to be pretty wide. So the short one is a wide one. 2 and 3. When I'm looking at this, I have wide and short, middle, and then this is tall. But what I think is I want to make it a little bit more challenging. So what I'm going to do is make this even shorter, and I have this 5-inch PVC pipe, so I'm going to adjust it to make it skinnier, and this is going to be the most challenging one. So there, this is a more challenging one to hit, and this can be worth 100 points. And this one can be worth 50 points, and this one will be worth 10 points. So the next thing we want to do is build the targets. And what I did is I just got some of these small plastic cups. You can use any plastic cups, and just make sure that it would fit under here. What we want to do is put the score on here. So if you just have a piece of paper or some masking tape, then you just simply rip up the tape, put the tape right here, and then write whatever score that you want. Let's do the 10.1 first. So that is 10 points. And then what you just do is you have to make a loop or a circle and tape it like that. So you can get one of your parents or teachers, if you're at a school, to help you with this. You just make a loop and tape it down. Like so. And there you have your hanging target. Okay, so notice how when it's hanging like this, that the score is in front. So just make sure that when you do the circle, then the circle is facing the side and then the score is facing the front. So then you can hang the circle around your pipe. Here's an example of the cup. Notice how I put the string facing the side, so when it's hanging, you can see the score in the front. Alright, so for this bottom stand, I have my targets hanging here, and I can see they can all flip over, so I'm finished with that stand. I'm going to slide in one, and my second one. This one is a little longer, just for fun. I just thought it would be fun to have different heights. So that's done. And then let's do the top one. And this one, I made this one with the longest string, so it can hang down. And let's put that together. So there's my top one, the middle size, and the bottom. And what can you use as bullets? Well, you can definitely use a Nerf gun, and it's a lot of fun with a Nerf gun. But if you don't have a Nerf gun, then you can also use pencil erasers, which work great because they're a little bit heavier. But the best bullets that we found were gummies. So we have these gummy lifesavers, and the reason is they're a little bit heavy. And so when you hit something, then it flips over. And you can do the game where if you just hit it regular, then that's 100 points. But if you're able to make it flip over, then you double your score. So there you have it, the swinging target game, all made with the Katoodle Pipe Builder Kit. Have fun! Be sure to hit subscribe if you want to see more how-to videos. You can buy the pipe kit at katoodleshop.com, and be sure to follow us on social media at Katoodle. Katoodle, igniting imaginations. So there you have it, the swinging target game, all made with the Katoodle Pipe Builder Kit. Have fun!